go do some outlet shopping. Here in downstate New York, there is like a pretty great outlet mall called Woodbury Commons. I'm sure some of you are already familiar with it, but there are some luxury stores, so it's a great option to get some luxury goods at a discount. Now, the thing that you do want to keep in mind with outlet stores is sometimes the factories will make separate product for these stores, so it's not necessarily the same items that are carried in like the main boutiques. However, there are some items that do go to these stores if they haven't sold out. So really it's not like the signature staples, but like if there's like a trendy piece that you wanted, but like you did, that was like a previous season, but like just didn't want to purchase, this is a great way to get those pieces for like a fraction of the price. And like some of the, like, sometimes the quality can be a little bit questionable, but I think that's more of like the brand you decide to purchase. But otherwise, it's like pretty great quality. It's like the same quality. Like I would say, you know, for example, Prada carries some Saffiano leathers, and they're nylons here that are like exactly the same quality. But yeah, so we're gonna go in, we're gonna do some shopping, and I think this is like, if you are safe, it's a great way to like kind of spend Memorial Day weekend, because they're gonna have a bunch of sales, and we'll take you through. I'm gonna do my best to get some footage with some prices, and yeah, so see you in a bit. Okay, so we're just coming up on the main strip here. This is kind of like where all the big designer brands are. It's going to start with Saks Fifth, and there's like Valentino, Fendi, Dior, Prada, and then it really ends at YSL and Gucci. There's like a Bottega right there. They're super comfortable. Super comfortable. Are you a version of that? Right? It's a version. These we just received. They came in green.
Voiceover Erica here. I was shocked to see these boots here on sale for like 50% off. They are the viral frame Fendi boots, aka the Bratz doll boots. Stop was Dior. Now, they didn't have a lot of interesting things in this time around. The winter collection was definitely better. There was this really cute coat though that reminded me of the Toile de Juillet patterns. was this gorgeous jacket with this amazing beadwork on the back. But while I appreciate great craftsmanship, for $10,000, for who, for what, for why? Now these shoes I regret not buying. Wouldn't these look amazing with that Fendi dress? Prada, the motherland, and at a discount. Look how gorgeous these Vandalia bags are. Definitely saying that wrong, but these bags are absolutely gorgeous, and they're in a Saffiano leather, so you know they're going to last you a hot minute. These colors are perfect for the spring and summertime. I definitely had a hard time choosing which bag I wanted. Next stop is one of my faves, Ganni. I am definitely a Ganni girl. Love their message of sustainability and durability and fashion, and they always have amazing pieces that go to this store. This is their archive store, and
Hi,
I was able to find exactly the top that I was seeking right here. Take a look at these sandals. They are in that gorgeous lilac that I keep raving about. Something to note here is also the heel, which is square, pretty unique. Ganni is also known for their exquisite prints, including animal prints. I am obsessed with this top. I'm so happy to have found it. So if you like that style, definitely check out Ganni to find some unique prints. Coming up on the final store of this shopping extravaganza is Acne Studios. Now, like Ganni, this store, this Acne in particular, acts kind of like a archival station where you can find amazing pieces from past collections that you might have missed. Now, although these stores like Ganni and Prada are getting pre-fall, fall-winter 2020 collections, you'll find that a lot of them are carrying more summer-spring colors like that face hat and these sweaters. This one is in ice blue, and then you also have this green here, which maybe this is a chartreuse, I don't know. So we just finished up at Woodbury. We are on our way home now. The birthday weekend is over. Time to get back to reality. I think it was a very good day.
very successful day, though I don't know if that's a positive thing. Certainly not for the wallet.
Your girl broke. Let FAFSA know.
But I got the items that I was specifically looking for, so that's good. Got some other items that, you know, we liked, so we got as well. But yeah, I think if you're going to go, definitely weekdays, if you can manage it. It's a little bit quieter. The earlier you get there, the better it is. And then hit up the stores that you know are going to have lines. So your Gucci's, your Pradas, your YSLs, and then like if you're doing Nike, Adidas, those types of stores, I think try to get to them before like the crowd kind of comes. People from the city do come up, so they do tend to go earlier, I would say, but they tend to leave mid-afternoonish just to beat the New York City traffic. So that's something to take into consideration as well. I think it would be a fun thing to do if you're looking to do some shopping during Memorial Day weekend, or just to have like an outing out. I would go there. I think there's going to be some sales happening. So yeah, and I think we're gonna end the video here. It's gonna be a hot minute before we get home, and you can see the back there of our successful trip. For now, I'm going to enjoy my mangoes. As always, make sure